Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Bryce Odin here, and in this video I'm going to be doing Jerkery 15's World. Hi. Hey! Don't kill a YouTuber. No killing the YouTubers. I need this. I thought I'd need that for something. Oh gosh. No, stay away from me. Someone was building a house here. Come get your arrows. I don't have any fences. I don't even have an axe on me. Oh, not bad. No, don't strip dance on me. How's this hole here? I'm gonna fix that. I still have one bone. Where are you? I got him! I got one! I got a wool! Look! Yeah, I got a wool. Hey. Actually, yeah, I think I do. Wait, I'm gonna make him teleport up to my base. Doggy. I'm trying to get my doggy to stay up. And doggy. Hey, quit! Jerkery is trying to kill my dog. Jerkery, quit. Jerkery, don't freaking kill my dog. I will call Microsoft and ban you. I can. I'm dancing around the pole. Hi. Couldn't help myself. I had to. Ow. No! I got Aw, my dog got hurt. That was hilarious. Can you feed him some rotten flesh, please? And there you go. Thank you. There you go. No! He's still crouching. I think he fell asleep. Gonna close up the hatch. No Tuxedo Steves in here. No Steves allowed. Actually, since this isn't my Super Plus Survival, I'm getting any skin I want. And I do my own like Super Flat Survival series. Hey, you be good to my dog, okay? I can see what you're doing, bro. I wouldn't mess with my dog if I were you. No messing with my dog. I'm keeping... Hey! You leave a Spartan alone. You leave a Spartan's dog alone, especially. No. Yeah, he is. Definitely. I'm just gonna let him do it. This is funny. Wolfie. Come on, Wolfie. Oh, that was hilarious. At least keep inventories on, right? Just kidding. Be good to him. I will make him kill you. Wait, what's this? Hey, do you want to do a pencil dive into the diving board? Wait. I'm gonna pencil dive him into the pool. Goodbye. No! I think my poor doggy's dead. You freaking killed my dog. That is my precious. That was my precious. I tamed him with one bone, and I only had one bone. I only had one bone, and that was the one I tamed him with. Now I'm making this bed special. I'm actually going to go to the pool in about 2 or 3 days.